What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making lasagna soup. So first we're going to start off by making our ricotta substitute. I don't know what ricotta tastes like, so I didn't want to buy ricotta and didn't like it. So as you can see, I'm using a package of cream cheese, some sour cream, a 4 cheese blend of Parmesan and some other Italian cheeses, some seasoning, and fresh basil, and you're just going to mix that all together. And make sure everything is at room temp so it will be easier to mix. So once we're done with our mixture, we can start cooking our ground beef. I'm using ground beef. You can use chicken or turkey or whatever you want to use, but I'm using beef in this video. And as you can see, I'm seasoning that thing up like so, like that. And I'm going in with my holy trio, which is just celery, bell pepper, onions, garlic. And I am also going in with a few cloves of fresh garlic because why not, right? And I also love garlic, so you're going to always see me put extra garlic in everything. Now that our meat is cooked and seasoned, we can go in some crushed tomatoes. And you want to use a whole 32 ounce of chicken stock or beef stock or whatever you have on hand. 1 can of tomato paste. And make sure you have everything mixed in well. Then I went in with a splash of whipping cream. Now you just want to take some of that mixture that we made at the beginning of the video and throw a little in there. Don't forget to add your fresh basil and a couple of bay leaves as well. Now all there's left to do is break in your pasta. And make sure all the pasta is covered so it can all cook together. And your dish is complete once the pasta is cooked all the way. And of course, this video could not be complete without me plating my food up for you guys. And I almost forgot to mention that I boiled all the liquid out of my pot. So now instead of having soup, I have a 1-pot lasagna meal. But anywho, it was still good, so no complaints. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video.